Welcome to another video on our top-down analysis. Today I'll be showing you guys top-down analysis. I'll show you guys how I do my top-down analysis from the monthly to the weekly, the daily, 4 hours, and my entries. Why I'm doing this video is because we have the month just started, so I'll just put you guys through everything I do and how I make my money as well. Though there will be some things that won't really be explained in details. I'll do videos of those things later. So now I first go to my Forex Factory, forexfactory.com. You go to your calendar. So now you check what you have opened, the days you have major news. So on Monday we'll have this news in the afternoon. I didn't trade today. So Tuesday I'm looking for trade. From Tuesday I'll be looking for trade setup, probably on New York section in the afternoon for this job openings. Then Wednesday, do I have any USD news on Wednesday? Wednesday also have USD news by 3. And then I think that's all, because Friday we'll have NFP. So I don't really trade NFP most time. Even at the first week of the month I don't really trade because of NFP. So most time you have irregular price action. Just you see price just making stop on both fronts, both the buy side and the sell side. So just take out Monday, trade your Tuesday, Wednesday. You should be done with the market. Don't stay much. Then you move it to the next week. So rushing back to the second thing we do is DXY. So on DXY, you go down to the monthly. You want to see how did the monthly candle close. Did they close bullish? Did they close bearish? So we have the last month closed bearish. So I will still be looking for bearish price action, and the drawn liquidity is this low. Drawn liquidity is this low. So I will be looking for, I'll pick my gang tool. I want to see 50% of last month price action. So I want to see price at least move up to 50% of this, and then let's clear up here. So on that I move to my 1 week time frame. So sometimes I also like putting a line on this the 50% of that, the last month's price action, so that I can also take out that this my gang 2. So on the 50% you discover that we have price trading to this weekly order block. Do you understand? We'll have this price this particular week trading to this weekly order block, and then we dropped a little bit. So I won't be surprised to see price trade back to around this week, and then we drop again. You understand? Because this is last week price action. This is this week. This week just started with more of like sell-off. So coming down to my 1 day, let me check what I have on my 1 day. So you see here I have this price action. It's more of like a range, but it's not really that range, because now you see we have price took out this high, and we also took out this low today. So I want to see what is inside this box on the lower time frame, something like 4 hours. So on the 4 hours I'm having this. So 4 hours is making it clearer now. So on these 4 hours I'm concerned of this is like another block that was violated, and it turns a breaker block. So, and also I have this as confluence. You see this other block as confluence, and the other block also have a fair value gap. So I won't be surprised to see price do more of this, something like this, give a break on market structure to the upside, then a retracement, and then we fly up here to this region. Or most times price might just decide to clear off this high only, more of like a liquidity grab, clear it off. After that, give you lower time frame confirmation, and we drop again. So overall we'll be looking for this area. Overall we'll be looking for this area. So but you can still, if you catch this, fine. This I might be looking for, if I will take this, I'll be looking for this trade setup in the afternoon, Tuesday, that's tomorrow, or any of the New York sections in the afternoon. So more of like a reversal pattern. If you see a clear reversal pattern, you can take this buy back to this place and you pick your sell, or you gently wait for your setup to see where price will take you in on New York, where price will take you for a sell, because you know we are still in the bearish phase, so that you not be carried away trying to take retracement and you forget your setup. Because as well, when you watch closely, we still have a fair value gap here that's not mitigated. Do you understand? So if you are not carried away with taking the retracements, you might miss this. You understand? So be flexible and you will get it. So now after that, I go back to, so most times what I do is I wait for DXY to give me a view of where I will pick my trade, because it's until DXY get to hit POI before I will pick my trade on XSS USD. So let's go to JPB USD. Let's quickly go to JPB USD. I mostly trade JPB USD and see what we have there. 1 month. So on this 1 month, this month, so I'm concerned of with days. So I want to see. So but you know, we have also, even on DXY, we also have this fair value gap on the monthly, but I'm not just looking at this fair value gap yet on the monthly because of the way we closed. The other month closed. The other month closed with a body. It closed with a body. So it's more of like a break of market structure to the upside. So if Adebi we closed with a week, here will be my concern. Adebi we closed with a week, here will be my concern. So but for now, I'm still bullish until I see bearish moves. So still, I go to my, I want to use this gang tool. I want to see 50% of this range, so which I have here. So I can still take out this. So I quickly rush down to 1 week to see what I have on the weekly time frame. So you see, it's still pointing to me a fair value gap on the weekly time frame. So you see, it's becoming clear. If you watch closely, this is a fair value gap on the weekly time frame. So I won't be surprised to see price respect this rather than going down for that that fair value gap on the monthly line. You also have an old high here, so this is like a perfect setup for me. So I won't also be surprised to see price do more of like a runoff, come up to this place, clear it off, and come down to here, and then we continue our move. So let's rush down to our 1 day. Is there anything we can pick from the daily? There's nothing much on the daily here. So let's check 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, I will be looking at this region. I'll be looking at this region. Looking at this region. So, but whatever be the case, I will still want to see price give me a lower time frame confirmation in any of this region, because that's like our higher time frame POI. So probably you want to see something like this, maybe take down, take up, and then we go up. Do you understand? Easy peasy. So as well, let's check Euro USD. So but always remember DXY. DXY is your map, like what you use for your roadmap. So quickly, 1 month. So So check your 1 month. Let me take out this joint. 1 month. Yeah, we are on 1 month. So this is last month's price action. If you watch the length of this body, the wick, you see that the bulls are still in control. So but we see we have a fair value gap on the monthly, more of like even an inverted fair value gap. You understand? So but I'm not really looking at it for now. I want to see price still move up first. Probably second week, third week of June, we'll start seeing that retracement to back to this place. Because I won't be forcing retracement when it's not giving me the signs for the retracement. So what I want to do is 50% of, I want to say healthy retracement, at least 50% of the previous month's price action. So we have here, and I go to my 1 week. So you see, this will be my POI, just like what we have on Euro US, JPB USD. So I rush down to 1 day. So on this 1 day, I'll be concerned of this in particular, because this is more of like a liquidity grab to the downside, clearing of this low, and then we also had price come up. So here will be more of like my POI. Let me see what 4 hours is giving me. Perfect. So this is what I'll be looking for in the 4 hours. This is more clear. Yeah, so this is what I'll be looking for on the 4 hour. So when you see price, do that same thing, clear up high, and then probably clear this place, give you a tap in here, and up we go. So I wish you all guys luck. Our mentorship slot for June is still open. It's just going for just $100 for one-on-one section online, though I still offer offline section, so but you pay higher depending on your location. I break down the charts. The mentorship is something that lasts for 1 year. You have access from me to me within 1 year. So that 1 year, we coach you through, you learn and all those things. I hold your hand and everything. Wishing you all guys a profitable week. Happy new month.